Hi, so here's a quick demo of the drainage function on the site calculator app. Okay, so you click the drainage button. So first of all, it's asking for the two manholes. So we'll go from this manhole. Now you can put these internal things in, but you can also get it from a saved point from the internal database, as you have done one already. It assumes the level that you've saved is going to be the invert level, but you can change that if you want. So let's say it's got a cover level of say 13.145. Enter that in. Say the pipe diameter is going to be 225. And there you go. Leave the biscuit at 150 and the cover at 150. And there you go. It tells you that you need 4 courses of bricks, one 1 metre ring, one 250 ring, and the concrete above the soffit of the pipe is 107mm. So if you take the thickness of the pipe off, that gives you the thickness of the concrete over top of the pipe. So we'll set that. We'll do our second manhole. Once again, I'll fetch it from the database. I've saved it already, and this time we'll make the cover level 14.963. Okay, leave it the same pipe diameter, and gives you the depth 3.1. 3 quarters of bricks on this one. It's going to be 2 1 metre rings and one 250 ring. First pipe, the first ring is going to be 100mm above the soffit of the pipe. So you set that. Okay, so gives you the bed and surround, which is 150, which is pretty, but you can change that if you want, but that's pretty standard. The trench, it says 525, but we're going to use a trench box on this one, so we'll put it in as 1000. And the drainage run will be in the road, and the road makeup is going to be 250mm. So then you need 6 lengths of pipe, 17 cubic metres of gravel as bed and surround, and 64 cubic metres of backfill, which will backfill the trench up to the formation level of the road. Obviously, if it wasn't in a road, you could change that to 0. It'll give you back up to the finished ground level. So that's the materials. If you click the arrow, it'll go into the geometry. So it tells you the rise between the manholes, the length between the manholes, the laser grade for the drainage run. Down here you can see the two distances. So you click this one, say I'm 20 metres from the first manhole. So it'll give you a coordinate and an invert level at that point. It says 11.495, so if I check that and I get 11.485. So it tells you what the area is at that point is minus 10mm. It tells you what the current grade is using that new level, and the projected error if you carry on at that grade to the next manhole. And that gives you the corrective grade for the laser, which isn't, you shouldn't really do that on a run, but if you've got to get back to that invert point, you might have to twinkle the grade as you go along. But you can always slide this back and forth if you want to get points along it, or you can say I'm 10 metres from the last manhole. Similar sort of thing, you can put it in and give you the invert level coordinates, you can put it in. Okay, so I hope that's useful to you. Cheers.